Animal Crossing. Is this an update to New Horizons? The Roost! Yes, yes, yes. Huh. An Animal Crossing Direct in October. So we've got...
Since its launch in
Wow.
2020, the Animal Crossing New Horizons game has been enjoyed by many players around the world. New free content will arrive in November.
Yep.
In preparation for its release, we will be airing an Animal Crossing New Horizons Direct in October. In it, we'll go over the content in more detail.
Gonna watch that, even though I've never played the game.
Please be on the lookout for the air date of this presentation. Let's move on to more Nintendo Switch headlines.